Think you've seen it all? Think again? Meet the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The iPhone 16 Pro Max isn't just another upgrade, it's a revolution. With the all-new A18 chip, this powerhouse is faster than ever before, making multitasking and gaming smoother than a fresh jar of peanut butter. But that's not all. The camera system has been supercharged with an enhanced 108-megapixel main sensor, giving you photos so crisp, you'll think you're a professional photographer. And let's talk about that display. A stunning 6.9-inch ProMotion XDR screen. Colors pop, blacks are inky, and it's brighter than ever. Battery life? No worries? With improved efficiency, you'll easily get through your day. Plus, the new MagSafe 2.0 is faster and snappier, making wireless charging a breeze. So, is the iPhone 16 Pro Max worth the hype? Absolutely. Stay tuned for more tech insights. Hit that subscribe button.